everyone. I am Roger Mayaled, and for today's video, we will define and explain using concrete examples the following terms used by Vygotsky in his socio-cultural theory. Let's start with more knowledgeable other, which is somewhat self-explanatory. It refers to someone who has a better understanding or a higher ability level than the learner. Like for example, who is more likely to know more about the newest teenage music or how to correctly perform the newest dance craze, a child or their parents. Next term is scaffolding. It refers to the temporary support given to a child by a more knowledgeable other that enables the child to perform a task until such time that the child can perform this task independently. For example, learning how to drive a bicycle. First, we need to observe how to drive by the more knowledgeable other, which can be our parents or friends. And after observing, hindi natin ito kaagad natutunan. So we need to practice and practice. And after practicing, the more knowledgeable other, adjust his or her support until you can drive independently. So the idea of scaffolding is provided by the more knowledgeable other. Then you can do the task by yourself. The zone of proximal development is defined as the space between what the learner is able to do without assistance and what the learner can do with assistance from an adult or a more skilled peer. Like for example, in education, a child may know how to add numbers, and on their own, the child would be able to learn subtraction with the help of adults. Subtraction is achievable within the zone of proximal development. The adults can help more learn. Something like trigonometry of a child would be outside of zone even with help from adults. Next term is language and social interaction. Language plays a central in mental development. Using the language easily, we can communicate with the other people. And through communicating, we can absorb and learn some skills with them and will have a social interaction. Last term is reciprocal teaching. It is used to improve students' ability to learn from text. In this method, teachers and students collaborate in learning and practicing skills like summarizing, questioning, clarifying, and predicting. The teacher's role in the process is reduced over time. The physical classroom based on Vygotsky theory would provide cluster desks or tables and workspace for peer instruction and collaboration. Learning becomes a reciprocal experience for the student and teacher. That would be all. Thank you for watching.